Yeah, that's true. Yeah, look at the, he's getting a video of this. Man, this is awesome. Yeah, get them birds out there. Can you see the birds? They're just floating. It just kills me. That's...
Yeah, this is Rye Beach Pier here down at the Huron Rye Beach Park.
I know.
Can't see the pier because I don't feel like getting out because this trailer's in my way.
It's funny. It just kills me. They ain't gonna get no food today. Man, unbelievable. I think they hang around all year. I think they hide in old buildings or something in the winter. I'm not sure why they're still here. Wild though. Man, it's the kids would get a kick out of this. Shrimpy would get a kick out of this. The birds hanging out like that. Yeah, it is. Them waves over there. Look how dark they are. God. Man, over there by that little house over there on the right, right by the water, the way those waves are hitting against that break wall. Mm-hmm.